Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use leftover pizza dough, make focaccia out of it. Welcome to my channel. My name's Andrew. I'm a chef, and yes, I'm going to show you what I do with leftover pizza dough, especially when you don't want it to waste and you're all pizzaed out. First, we're going to oil the cast iron pan, olive oil. Make sure there's enough there so it doesn't stick. And you know, you want to get it all covered, you want to get it all nice and round everywhere in there. We're going to put it in the pan and then cover it, and then let it just come up to room temperature again. And that will make sure that it gets light and airy and it's not as hard and dry as it should be. Another point about doing it this way is it'll be proving again in the pan. Give it half an hour, give it an hour, depending on how cold it is. Yeah. After that half an hour, what you want to do is start pushing it out around the pan, so just really spread it out across the pan. It's much easier to just move it around, and then cover it with olive oil. Rub it all around with olive oil and use your fingers and just make some dimples in there. This catches olive oil, this catches flavour, this catches salt, or whatever you're going to add onto it. What I'm going to do is, with some sliced garlic, I like garlic, just thinly sliced, just pull it around the focaccia, make sure that it's going round, make sure it's evenly spread out. We grow our own herbs here, so freshly snipped rosemary is going to be a lot more flavourful, so I'm just having that around. I want to drizzle a little bit more olive oil around on top so that it stops it from burning. Then we're going to season it with salt, and we're going to put it in a 200-degree oven for about half an hour. Half an hour is all it will take. Yeah. So, and then just do whatever for half an hour. In my case, I'm just gonna spend some time with my dog. Whilst I'm waiting.
Fucking no. Thank you. Would you like some focaccia? No? This is focaccia. Oh, yes. Some focaccia. No?
So after the half an hour is done, what you want to do is take out, let it rest, and then whilst it's resting, that gives you time to make your meal more substantial. So for me, I'm gonna have like a little bolognese, fettuccine, and this is great just to share around. For me, in my terms, it'll be with the kitchen, it'll be with our colleagues, and it'll be a staff dinner or something. But you know, having bread, you know, you're using leftover pizza dough, not wasting it. You turn that into something that is another meal for yourself, and it just makes things go a long way. Especially if I'm having it with some pasta, some bolognese sauce, and a glass of red in my case, and you know, it was delicious. It was a nice lunch just to sit back and relax. I'm all pizzaed out, so if you'd like to know how to make pizza to share with your family, in my case with my colleagues, let me know and I'll arrange for that to happen. Yeah. So after that, it's really delicious lunch. It's quick and easy, and you have some bread on the table. Anyway, thank you for watching. Really appreciate this, and hopefully it really does help. If you do like this, give it a like. If you don't like this, give it a dislike. Press it twice. And leave me a comment if you want to know more on making the dough or doing other things. I'd love some feedback. And yeah, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.